What a rocking, electrifying, and the most energetic performance. We are surely giving you goosebumps. कहते हैं मंजिलें बड़ी ज़िद्दी होती हैं, मंजिलें बड़ी ज़िद्दी होती हैं, हासिल कहाँ नसीब से होती हैं, मगर वहाँ तूफान भी हार जाते हैं, वहाँ तूफान भी हार जाते हैं जहाँ कश्तियाँ ज़िद पर होती हैं. Dear parents, it's time to honor the students from grade 5 to grade 10 who have excelled this year. For this, we would like to call our students from grade 5 to 10 one by one.
The first rank goes to Sarthak Verma. The second rank goes to Tanish Agrawal. And our rising star is Arohi Bolian.
To honor them, I would like to call respected Kaushik Bhai in charge of Saraswati School. Please give them a huge round of applause. They are the toppers of the year.
I want all the three parents to come on stage. I'll repeat the name. The first prize that is going to Sarthak Verma, Tanish Agrawal, the second prize holder. And the rising star, Arohi. Now, it's time to call for the 6th grade. The first prize goes to Swara Patel. Second is Aradhya. The rising star is Maheen Patel. Please, parents.
All the three students and all the parents, please come together on the stage. From grade 7, the toppers are Himanshi Kotak, Shlok Patel, and the rising star of the year is Palak Singh Rajput. To honor them, I would like to call respected Lovelace sir on stage. From grade 7, the toppers of the year are Himanshi Kotak. First, second rank holder is Shlok Patel, and the rising star of the year is Palak Singh Rajput. And to honor them, I would like to call respected Vandita ma'am. From grade 8. The topper of the year are, first is Mihir Bhai Dharajia, second Devina Oja, and third, the rising star of the year is Prince Singh Rao. A huge round of applause. Once again, I would like to announce the toppers of grade 8. First is Mihir Bhai Dharajia. Second, Devina Oja. To honor them, I would like to call respected Pariksha ma'am from Gujarati VIP Nicole School, Gujarati Medium. Aruhi from 5th grade, the rising star of the year. I would request her to come on stage along with her parents. Is Devina Oja. Please cheer them up with your claps. Prince is absent, okay. From 9th standard, the second prize holder is Naitik Agarwal. Babu Kaka to please come on stage and honor them.
विभू पाठक को बुलाओ.
From 9th standard, the first rank holder is Pal Thesia.
Parents बुलाओ.
I would like to request the parents of Pal to please come on stage.
विभू का गिफ्ट दिया है ना.
And the rising star of the year from grade 9 is Vibhu Pathak. Now, it's time to honor the students of grade 10. Second is Purvi Rawat. And the rising star of the year is Shrishti Dubey.
Shrishti is absent. Shrishti is absent. She is absent.
She is absent.
Now I would like to call students who came with flying colors and honored us. First one is Ashmi from 10th standard, Rudra from 6th standard, and Vedant Bhadoria, our ex-student. Please come on stage. And Yug Patel. Yug from 5th class, please come on stage. Ashmi, please come forward. Come on stage. Aradhya from 6th class stood second.
Certificate of the week. Wait, House of the Year.
Our school seeks to highlight the importance of art and education and honor the accomplishments of young talents. As we focus on overall growth and development of a child, we have year-round competitions covering academics, houseboats, discipline, etc. So, the House of the Year award goes to none other than Gandev House. Not like this. The VIP clap. 1, 2. Also, I would like to request the respected house teachers, house in charge, all the house prefects to come on stage.